Hi, my name is Paul. I'm a senior design engineer at the Bristan Group, and I designed our new OPAC shower valves, which have been given a customer-inspired upgrade. OPAC showering has become the best selling in the UK commercial shower valves market, and now we have completely redesigned the range, from the new elbows and inlets to an inbuilt flushing mechanism for easy thermal disinfecting, plus a new front-fitted one-piece cartridge. Our showers meet and exceed the ever-changing requirements in healthcare environments. With our patented technologies, these valves have gone through extensive testing and certification processes to ensure that they meet the highest standards. These valves meet all the requirements set in the HSE L8 Code of Practice for Legionella Prevention, as well as RAS, TMV2 and TMV3 approval schemes. While the exposed and concealed products differ in some ways, they all have the same main features. All the elbows have built-in isolators for easy servicing. These market-leading OPAC valves have been completely remastered to make life brilliantly simple for our customers. To find out more, visit our website at bristan.com.